Hello everyone, welcome to Zeal to Excel session 1 on Exigence Educator, where I am going to throw some light on how to cope up with the English section in all major banking exams. I will keep this session very short and crisp. Well, at this very juncture, it needs to be said that if you possess the zeal, the will and the urgency to overcome your fear in English, you will definitely excel in this section. Alright, now, without wasting any more precious minute, let's move on to the most important do's and don'ts to maximize your score in English. The very first thing that needs to be done if you are a beginner is that the basics must be cleared from any grammar book. You can refer to Sbi Clerk or Wren and Martin for that. Both of these books are available in the market. If the basics are clear, you can just brush up from KD Publication English book of Neetu Singh. If your basic grammar is clear, you need to keep the grammar rules at your fingertips. During the exam, you cannot afford to forget a single one of them. I must say, you need to follow Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. This book is indispensable to your preparation. And always try following the root word approach. Well, you need to take, if you are a beginner, then of course you need to take chapter wise offline tests to increase your grasp on the subject. And during the offline mock tests, use a timer or stopwatch. You need to make limited time slots while taking those offline tests. This will just increase your practice as well as keep it within a time limit. Try reading at least 2 to 3 articles from the editorial of the Hindu. It will increase your stock of words. While reading the newspapers, note down the unknown words which you come across every time. After noting down the words, you need to write the meaning, the synonyms and the antonyms. Also, you can just write down an example sentence below it. And for this, you need to resort to an online thesaurus. You must take 3 to 4 online mocks of English on a daily basis after your offline practice is done. And the major thing which needs to be done is analysis of a mock. You must analyze the mocks. This is undoubtedly the most important part which you cannot afford to ignore. If you do not analyze a mock, you are not trying to find out your weaknesses. Analysis of what went wrong in mock 1 will prevent you from committing the same mistake in mock 2 and so on. Analysis of mock is a very important thing which I need to reiterate again. If you follow all the points religiously mentioned above, you will soon come across a sea change in your marks in English section. And now let's move on to the don'ts. What you need not do. Do not take this section for granted. Well, it may be the highest scoring section, but if you do not take it seriously, it can also lead to disqualification, because sectional cutoff in exams like IPS PO, IPS Clerk are very important. Mugging up without understanding the application of words will never work. As I already said, always follow the root word approach to understand the meaning of the words. And of course, don't stop revising even if you have become an expert. Revision and practice are the keys to success. And of course, don't forget to analyze every single test you take. Analysis is must, which I am repeating again and again. Well, I must say, if you are persistent enough to have a smart approach, English can be your cup of tea too. You can take free mocks and paid tests from Excel in English mock test series, the link of which are given in the description below. Thank you all.